My name is Darren Phillips.
Hi, I'm Sawyer Wilson.
Hi, my name is Devin Phillips. I graduated from Potomac Senior High School in 2018.
In the year 2017.
And I graduated in 2015.
The CTE class is incredibly useful. It's a great opportunity for a lot of people.
That prepared me to understand how to set up metal and the way of cutting it, prepping it for welding, and everything in between.
There's a lot more to learn than just welding. We taught us how to measure things with rulers, stuff that you wouldn't even think about, but you need to measure every day in life.
I use a 30-ton hydraulic press brake to essentially bend parts to any degree.
They came in, they were ready to go right off the bat, and we were able to throw one of them immediately into weld. And quite honestly, there's a lot out there right now. We're always looking to hire, we're looking to grow, and we need these skills. There's a lack of them out there right now, so I think it's even more important that the schools are giving these kids an option. There's more out there than just a four-year degree.
That's success by CTE.